Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be tackling my linen closet. Me and my husband have a very tiny one, and as you can see, we just kind of threw anything in there and it looks a scrambled hot mess. So that's my task for today. If you are new here, hello, my name is Martinique. Make sure you subscribe because there's going to be tons of other types of organizing and cleaning videos if that's something that you're into. Make sure you also press that notification bell. So without further ado, let us tackle this. So naturally, the first thing I'm going to do is just literally take everything out, and I'm tossing it onto my bed. Again, just like the previous video, you guys are going to see me doing random movements. I was listening to music. It's something that I feel I need just to keep going and keep me motivated. Comment below if this is something that you do as well when you're cleaning. Yeah, I'm doing a lot, being very extra. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and clear everything out of this closet. Okay, so if you've been watching my last or my previous videos as far as cleaning and organization is concerned, then you'll notice that vacuuming the floor is something that I've started doing. I just do that before mopping, and here I'm just taking another, a dryer sheet, cleaning off the baseboards because it was dusty, and then I'm going back with the vacuum to vacuum again just to pick up any other dust that may have fallen while I was cleaning it. And then I'm going to be using the Method Squirt Mop. Look how much I've used. She's using the product, but I'm going to use this just to mop the inside of the linen closet. Okay, so as far as my organizational needs, I have been going to IKEA. Not gonna lie, this is probably my third visit this week. Can't help it. It's near my house. It's affordable, and yeah, IKEA just take all of my money. But I'm gonna link below the products that I did use. IKEA's products, they have some weird names, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce them because I'm probably going to butcher them. But these are the two particular, containers that I did purchase. I'm just gonna show you guys how you assemble them. It's really easy. I know a lot of people don't like IKEA because I kind of feel like the products are cheaply made, but considering what this is going to be used for, I actually don't mind. I actually picked up some similar ones for my clothes, but yeah, you just open it up, pop it out, and then these little inserts that come with it, you literally unfold them, and then you stick them into the side, and that is what basically forms it and makes it like a box. So yeah, it's really easy to assemble. I'm also going to list the prices because I can't remember off the top of my head how much they were, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys like a really quick IKEA tip if you're someone who feels that the store is overwhelming. What you do is, go on their website, figure out what particular products that you want. You can either, place them in your cart and just pick them up and pay for it. I think you can pay for them there, or you can pay for it online and just pick up. Or you can do like I do, like I look for instance, I was looking for storage today, so I looked under their section for storage and kind of just browsed around to find what particular storage I felt I would need. And then I just went into the store, got them within 20 minutes, picked them up, and was out of the store because this store is so overwhelming. It has so many different products and you'll be there all day long, but I wasn't trying to. So yeah, IKEA tip. Okay, so what I'm doing here is basically going through those 2 baskets and purging what I feel I don't need. Like those 2 candles, they've been sitting, it's sad, okay, no judgment zone, okay, but those candles have been sitting there for like a few years, and I was just like, you know what, why are we holding on to these? Some things I don't think I can throw away because they are my husband's. Fun fact, I'm a military wife and my husband's currently deployed, so I'm just gonna leave him like a basket full of his things so he can go through it himself, because I would hate to throw away something that he may be looking for when he gets back. But yeah, I'm just going through this basket, getting rid of what I feel I don't need, and then here I'm vacuuming it out, which was an experience, but I was able to tackle it. Again, I'm still learning this whole particular vacuum and the different tools and such, so if you see me using any tools incorrectly, please let your girl know. Okay, so I got this particular container from the dollar store. I got it weeks ago and I wasn't really sure what I was going to use for it until today. So we have like 3 or 4 boxes of band-aids. We don't even get injured like that, but we have them just in case. And then I had some those Crest whitening strips, and I was like, you know what, instead of putting them back in this basket, I'm just gonna take them all out and I'm gonna utilize this little container and put them all in there. I also placed in the same box my vitamins, because you know, I'm still trying to figure out how to organize everything. So as of right now, this little container is going to house our band-aids, our Crest white strips, and my vitamins. Okay, so let's talk about folding. Here I'm just trying to figure out how I feel the towels should be folded to fit in those containers. And lately I have been adopting I think it's called the KonMari method. If you guys have never heard of that, look it up. I'll leave a link below as well. But it is a Japanese lady by the name of, I think her name is Kondo. She's so adorable. And I swear, like, she has a Netflix series. If you guys really need to watch it, because I promise you she's going to change your whole perspective on folding in general, especially if you're like me and you hate folding. Watch the series. She's going to want to make you fold everything. So I've literally been going through, you know, my clothes, folding everything in her particular method, and I love it. And now we're going to do it with the towels, because why not? Okay, so now I'm putting everything back into the linen closet after folding everything. One thing that I did not show was me folding our sheets up because again, I am not a pro with folding. I feel as if you were to like look up the method that I'm using, you'll get a better understanding from other people showing you how to fold, and I just didn't want to confuse anyone. But yeah, I just didn't show that portion. And what I did do was match the fitted sheets and like the regular sheets with the pillowcases, and I just used one pillowcase and put the sheet sets together inside of that one pillowcase, if that makes sense, because I felt that was the best way to store them. I'm not a fan of how they are stored on the top shelf. I think that's something that I'll eventually, figure out as far as how I want them, but for the time being, it works. As you can see, I was struggling because I thought I could get it, all in that one direction, but it wasn't working. So, I had to stack them on top of each other. If anyone has any suggestions based on the size of our linen closet, please let me know. I may honestly end up getting another container that could fit in there, but it's so hard to gauge because it's really tiny. But anyway, this is the linen closet now, and I have to say I'm definitely pleased. It looks so much better. I'm really praying that we can keep it together like this. Again, those smaller containers, I feel I need one more. And even the two bottom shelves, or actually the last shelf and then, the items on the floor, I feel they could probably be organized a little better, but this is what we're dealing with. And for the moment, I am satisfied until I come up with a new method. At any rate, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you thumb it up. Please let me know if you're enjoying these, because it is different content from what I'm, usually posting, but I'm here for it. Again, make sure you press that notification bell to be notified of the next time that I do upload. And until the next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.